All right, let's go ahead and use my beans instead of nut butter to make a breakfast bake. We're going to take egg and black beans. That will be our protein. To this, we're going to add banana mashed up. That will be my fruit or part of my fruit. Then let's go ahead and zhuzh it up and add some extracts. All of this will be in the description below, so you'll have the details. Let's add the baking powder and then blend it all together in the Vitamix. I'm using my Vitamix instead of an immersion blender because it's easier and cleaner. Now, let's go ahead and add our oats. You can use whole oats or you can pulse them if you like, whatever brings you peace. Let's add some husk and half of the mango. We'll reserve the other half to be the topping of these two breakfast muffins. Stir this all together, make sure that it's well combined, and then refrigerate it for 30 minutes so that the oats can swell and everything can just set into its proper place. 30 minutes, go do something else, maybe call a bright friend, then go ahead and get these in your muffin tins and you will want to bake these guys. So put them in the oven, bake them, and remember the description below will have all the details, and then they are ready. So good. I use these the next day. And what I will say is that instead of using nut butter, of course, I used black beans. And what that does is give this an extra protein and fiber boost. It also makes the muffin more dense, which was great, and it filled me up for a while. If you make this, tag me.